And good afternoon once again, my ladies and my gents. In case you aren't bored enough with my yammering on, I want to talk a little bit about this kit, the AMT C600 tilt cab stake bed truck, Coca-Cola truck. I've already unboxed it. I've already taken it out and given it a good, nice wash and get all the oils off of it and everything. And I thought I'd talk about it because I'm a little surprised. This is an AMT kit. For what it is, well, first of all, let me show this before I move it. You get this decal sheet. Really nice decal sheet for Coca-Cola. And see if I can get this to buzz in a little bit. I've got two vending machines that come with it, and it even comes with the little things for the buttons and the coin slots and everything, and all this kind of stuff for you to put in the bed. But I'm not going to use them. I'm going to make this into another Landell Enterprises, and I'm going to put the logo like I had on the Pete on this piece, so that because it's not really going to quite fit here. It's a little big for that, and so I'm going to put it on that and put that up here, perhaps. I don't know. We'll see. But what I wanted to talk about, and I haven't figured out a color yet, and if y'all got an idea for a color, let me know, because it's I haven't figured out just what color I want. So let me do this. Of course, you got to have the. But to give you an idea, this is, the back of the cab. Well molded. I'm really quite surprised. The logo is very nice. The only, you got that, but it doesn't have the hand, but I'm not going to do anything with that. I'm not going to take it off and put another one on. But the molding for the lettering and the emblem here, that's really cool. The wipers are all very nicely and crisply molded. I was looking at it when I was washing it. Now there is a couple of mold lines. Runs right down here and right down here. And there is a tiny, tiny, tiny bit right here below the door. This is AMT. About the only flashing on the cab is right up here. This is AMT. I did find some flashing. This is the stake bed. Let me zoom it back out. This is part of the stake bed, and there is some flashing on this. This is the only flashing that I came across. See if I can get it to zoom back. The wood grain. Very, very nice. This is going to be, there are some ejector pin marks that are a bit of a nuisance, but be able to figure something out with them. Then we got, let me turn it over here. Got one of the mud flaps, Wolverine trucks. So yeah, if I remember right, correct me if I'm wrong, please. I think, isn't the Wolverine state, isn't that Michigan? I think it is. I think. Let me know if I'm wrong. And but let me show you this too. Here's for the engine. Now the Ford C600, I did some reading on it, and they came with gas engines. If this was a diesel engine, it would be the C6000. They just put another number on the end of it if it was diesel. This is a gas engine, and the molding is very nice. Turn it over so I don't hit the camera. But it's almost very little flashing. And the whole kit is like this. That one sprue is it. I got the bed, and you can see the mold lines, the molding for the wood grain in it. But really and truly, for an AMT kit, I am very impressed. It is crisply molded. There's hardly any flashing. The detail molded in is very good. And I'm actually surprised. Now, if it goes together as good as it looks, we'll wait and see. I'll keep you updated. So anyway, I've kept y'all long enough today, and I just wanted to bring that up and fire off the question, what do y'all think the color should be? Give me some ideas. I've got, oh goodness, I got a whole rainbow of colors up here, so if you list a color, I probably got it. Anyway, I'm going to quit yapping. I'm going to see about getting some of this stuff started, even though it's after 5, what is it, 4 o'clock? 4:30? 4:30? Look at the clock. Yeah, 4:30. So I'm going to go ahead, finish this up. I'm going to get started on it, I think. That's kind of a neat. So anyway, B-Tex signing out.